AI has made video editing so much easier for everyone to use. Let's check out FlexClip's new AI video editing features and more. We start by creating a video. Choose the layout format. I will go with the default 16:9 ratio. As you can see, you have several options. Then for style here, we'll go with the default as well, timeline option. First, let's give our video a name. Then next to the title, you have the undo, redo, and full screen mode options. Then we shall go down to tools to see the AI features we can play around with today. Let's start with the AI text to video. Here we shall describe our video content or paste an article. I will paste a description on understanding AI ethics and see what we get. The video will start generating. Once it's done, you'll be able to see all the different scenes in the timeline below, which you can easily edit the subtitles, audio, photos, and video elements with a click of a button. Let's have a quick view of the video the AI just generated. The first scene has a video from the Matrix trilogy, not too bad, but a bit distracting. The second scene is on ethical consideration. Not sure the AI in the kitchen passes the message well. Then the next scene speaks about quandaries with AI. Again, not sure how well this works, which I'm not sure what it's about. And finally, the conclusion scene, which I think we'll keep for now. So basically, the subtitles are relatively okay. The issue is mostly with the videos. So now let's see how we can easily change these elements that we don't like. For example, we can go to video here, search for different videos, and simply drag and drop them to the scene you'd like to change. And you can even adjust the length of the videos by dragging the videos until you're satisfied. With an extensive media library with over 4,000 million royalty-free videos, images, graphics, and audio, you can easily elevate your video's quality. Next, we have AI image generator. This is basically creating images from text. Here, you write what you want using English, then you choose from the different styles available and generate. If you don't like the results, simply regenerate or adjust your prompt. You can even choose the layout you'd like for the image as per your preference, whether it's a square, desktop, or mobile. Then we have AI video script. Here, we'll give it a short description on the same topic, but let's see what the AI generates. As you can see, it quickly generates for us a script that we can adjust as we'd like or use it as is. But before we go further, if you click on the back button here, you will notice that you also have the option to choose the duration of the script from short, medium, and long. Then let's go back to the current script and click on AI to video to allow the AI to generate a video based on the script it just created. If you remember, when we used text to video earlier, we changed some of the videos as they did not go well with the subtitles. Let's see how this version will fare in comparison. Now that it's done generating, let's review both videos. Here we have the first version we edited, and as you can see, it's much better than the original video. With the very simple tweaks here and there, we can make more compelling videos. And that's the beauty with AI. It gives you a good place to start with, then you simply have to build on it. Now, let's see how the AI managed the second time around, with a shorter description and its own script. The first scene is okay, though could be better. The second scene has a robot reading something on perhaps maybe moral principles as suggested by the subtitle. So this one is okay. The next scene I think is also good, and I like that the subtitles here are not as long as the first two, and the video it shows works well with integrating. I also like the photo used here to show AI ethics and transparency by using cards, though the text here could be reduced or have them in two different scenes. See what I mean? AI can easily give you ideas to further customize your videos to be more captivating. On the next slide on fairness in AI, this scene simply doesn't work. Then we have the last two scenes. They are okay, but I'm sure a bit of imagination could make them great. As we have seen, AI has some ways to go. I'm sure if you modify the prompts and regenerate the video, you'd get better results. The AI takes care of the heavy lifting, saving you enormous effort, especially when you're stuck and need some inspiration. Next, we will have a look at some of the video editing tools available on FlexClip. You see that it has even more AI tools you can explore, like AI background remover and AI text to speech. Then under tools, you have all these options from trimming, margin, compressing, screen recording to motion graphics. But the feature I'd like to show you is one that I find quite interesting. speed curve. Say you have this video here and you'd like to edit the speed of the video at key points. What you need to do is simply click on the video, then go to speed and navigate to curve speed. Here you will have different presets that you could try out, but for now let's go with customize. You will then have this area below where you can move the line up to make the video go faster or down to slow it down. You can also add a point easily when you select where you want it and click add point, or just as easily remove a point by clicking on the dot and select delete. And once you're done, you can check your results. Now see how easy it is to just make those modifications. FlexClip also gives you access to more than 5,000 popular templates to get you started. And once you get a template you like, just apply it to a video you want, either by adding all the pages or specific pages. Then under media, you have the option to record your voice, screen or webcam, and upload media that you'd like to use in your video. Then next we have text. FlexClip has 1,000+ text animations and preset styles that you can easily add to your video and editing as you'd like. The bar above here allows you to make adjustments to the font type, size, color, motion, and style. FlexClip at its core leverages an innovative drag and drop timeline that simplifies editing complex projects. Next, we have subtitles. Here we have manual subtitles. You can also upload subtitles or use an AI-generated subtitle. Then we already looked at videos. Next, we have photos. Again, here you have text to image option, or you can search for the images. Next, under audio, you have access to music and sound effects. Then we have elements where you can add shapes, social elements, GIFs, frames, arrows, and more. And under overlays, here you have overlays, transitions, and animations that you can incorporate in your video editing to help capture the viewer's attention. Then you have the option to export as video, GIF, or audio. And to note, the high quality video is not available on the free option. FlexClip has two plans available, Plus and Business, with Plus going for as low as $9.99 monthly, billed annually. In summary, FlexClip makes crafting professional videos easy and frictionless like never before. Its AI tools, over 4 million royalty-free stock media assets, and powerful editing toolbox enables creators from any skill level to make captivating videos consistently. This could be an opportunity to start making money online from video editing using FlexClip. So if you're looking for an online all-in-one video creator that can help you deliver stunning results every time, FlexClip is the platform to try today. With advanced and yet easy-to-use editing functionalities like curve speed, real-time project collaboration to work seamlessly with a team on video edits, feedback and approvals, and AI-powered tools that make professional video production a breeze. What are you waiting for? Try it now from the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.